What I love about Thinglink is that it's really easy to get started. Once you create an account and you're logged in, you just simply click create, and you'll notice that the premium version will allow you to upload video and 360 VR imagery. For today's tutorial, we're just going to stay with the free version with the upload image. And I already preloaded a desert scene for an ecosystem type imagery. Here we go. So I would strongly encourage your students and yourself to get used to naming your thing links every time you go to create them. This way you go back and you know exactly what each title is for each thing link you create. So I'm just going to call this Desert Ecosystem. And within this experience, it already prompts you to click to add tags. So you could search for content that's on the web, or you just simply click around your image or your 360 video, or in some cases, your 360 image that you uploaded if you have the premium version. So I'm going to make a hotspot on this rock. And what I'm going to do first is I'll actually link it back to this tutorial that I'm creating for you. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to paste that link. And it already says it's from Google Drive. It's generating a pop-up view for this. It gives you a brief overview of the text from my presentation, which is kind of cool. I can go in and edit that and change that. I could change the image. I can upload audio to accompany this. And then, of course, there's always more options with the paid version. So I'm just going to click Save. So here I go. I created my first hotspot in my desert ecosystem Thinglink. I can also add videos. So here is a video that I have about desert life. I am going to copy the URL from YouTube, bring that over. And as the students are in their experience, their VR experience, I will create a hotspot here for them. And then, just depending on what you're creating, you could be very creative about where you put your hotspots. But as you see right away, it pulls up that it's a YouTube video, 25 dry facts about deserts. That is indeed the video. This is all here, the text that's from this. And of course, you can go in and add your own text features. And again, I'm just going to scroll down and click Save. Finally, just to show you a different Oh, what happened to this website? Oh, there we go. Okay. A different view here is that you could also do a website. And again, I will put my hot link here on a cactus because if you didn't notice, that website is about cactus facts. I'm going to paste that and it's going to pull it up that it's a website and it's going to prompt me to click and read more. And if you notice, I could change the icon images, which is kind of neat. You can kind of stylize everything here. Some of these, of course, icons are grayed out because if you want to, upgrade for a premium version, that's usually the prompt for that. So you can color code, you can really get in here and build an authentic dynamic learning experience just by color coding the different adventures, different hotspots within the experience. So I'm going to go down and of course, like always, I'm going to click Save. I am going to click Save Image. And here we go. So